Hey guys, in this video I'm planning to start a new series, and this series is for beginners. I'm planning to make daily some modeling challenges, and for this video I found this image in Pinterest, by the way, and we will try to model this, and I think it will be a helpful exercise for beginners. If you like this idea, let's get into the video. Default cube, and I just add a circle. As you can see, firstly, it has two curviness shapes, and one up and down. And we will try to replicate the shapes first. And here you can see there's a circle. So I'm just adding a circle. Maybe 60 is enough in this case. Right now I need a hole for this. So I just select the first shape and go into the edit mode. By the way, I don't need to select anything. So I just press AA, and to select that cutter object, this is my cutter object, by the way. As you can see, we have two shapes, one circle, one cutter. Anyway, I go to my machinery and control and click, but be careful because go into the edge mode firstly, then go into the mesh and knife project. I can delete it right now. As you can see, we have our circle. I also go into the edit mode with Control and Shift and D, and I just rotate this. I use Alt and A and to flip it normals. By the way, as you can see, I just select the vertex and snap it to that vertex. You just need to select vertices and active, and you need to make an active selection for it to your desired destination. Right now we have two independent shapes. Anyway, if I select all and press M and merge by distance, it will be one single mesh again. By the way, we can just work in one side. You can use mirror modifier, by the way. I just use box cutter quick mirroring. Anyway, I just select the two vertices, but be careful in this case. If you press just F and go into the edit mode, it tells you something. It just highlights this H, and it means it has no connection. I mean, let's say you select it all. As you can see, Blender has a trouble to render this object because it has no connection. I just delete that edge As you can see, I just delete the edge and the face still here. That's because it is not connected. Right now, if I try to delete that edge, all shape is, all the face is going to be deleted. Anyway, I just extrude that shape and merge vertices again. Maybe it's too much, but from looking inside, I can bring it a little close. Maybe it's so high also. Yeah. By the way, you don't have to 100% dependent on the reference. You can use also your imagination, and you can use your creativity. As you can see, those edges are not connected also. So by selecting that two vertices, I just select and merge at the last. Right now, there's one vertice, so I just need to add one, two, and press F and F. Right now, if I try to insert it, yeah, just because there's a mirror modify, it don't let me insert correctly. So I just press I, as you can see here. There's the inner face. I also delete this. This is our actual mesh, by the way. I just extrude down, maybe a little down also. Right now I'm just about to add this indentation. Enough, I think. As you can see, there is also an interface here, so I also delete it. Maybe it is way much. I just lower the. This is also okay. And yeah, and right now, if you like to give some smoothness on like auto smooth, you can go to add modifier, smooth by angle. And you can also add bevel modifier. And yeah, let me what you think in the comments. And if you like that video and you like that kind of videos in the future, let me know in the comments. See you later.